Hello, let's find the solution to y in this nice Olympiad exam question. We are asked to solve for y in the square root of y, the square root of y, and another square root of y equal to 2. Give this video a like, share it with friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Now, to find the square root or the value of y, we're going to square both sides. Remember, when we square both sides, that will help us clear the square root. Now, let's square both sides. We'll square both sides, we'll have this to become y, the square root of y, and another square root of y, all squared, and this will be equal to 2 squared. In the next step, you'll come to see that this square root will clear this square and will be left with this will carry the square, that will become y square multiplied by y, the square root of y, and this will be equal to 4. So in the next step, you come to see that this is equal to y to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 to the power y to the power of y, 1 multiplied by y, and this will be equal to 4. So according to the law of indices, if we have the same base, the power can do what? Add. So that will give us y to the power of 3 multiplied by the square root of y, and this will be equal to 4. In the next step, we are still going to take the square of both sides. And the reason why we are taking the square of both sides is to clear the final square root, which is this. So if we take the square of both sides, this will be equal to 4 squared. So from here, you see in the next step that this will become y to the power of 6, because 3 will multiply 2 multiplied by this will become the square root of y multiplied by square, and this will be equal to 16. So from here you see that this square will clear the square root, and then we'll be left with y to the power of 6 multiplied by y to the power of 1, and this will be equal to 16. Now in the next step, since we have the same base over here, this will become y, the exponent will add to give us y to the power of 7 equal to 16. So how do we find the value of y? Since we have 7 as the exponent or the index, we're going to take the 7th root of both sides. So if we take the 7th root of both sides, we'll have this to become equal to the 7th root of 16. So from here you see that this will have to clear this, and then we'll have our y to be equal to the 7th root of 16, and that is the solution to that question that is given to us. Now let's check to see if our solution is very correct. We are going to insert the value of y equal to the 7th root of 16 into that expression. Now the expression is the y, the square root of y, and another square root of y, and this is equal to 2. So if we insert this value into the expression, will this give us 2? Let's try it out. So we'll have in that expression, the first expression will have the square root of the 7th root of 16 all multiplied by the 7th root of 16th multiplied by the square root of the 7th root of 16th, right? Will this be equal to 2? Now from this expression, you see that this expression will strictly give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7. Recall the law of indices that if you have a to the power of 1 divided by 2, this can be equal to the square root of a, right? So that will give us this, and this will be all to the square root of 16 to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by, this is going to be was 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7, and this will be multiplied by 1 divided by 2 because we have another square root here, which is this. So if we simplify, we're going to have that expression to now give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 with the total square root of 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7, right? This is 7. And then we'll have this multiplied by 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. And that expression will now give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 all to the square root of 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 times 2 will give us 14. So, according to the law of indices, these two expressions will have, because we have the same base, right? They will become, the exponent will add. So this will give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 with the square root of 16 to the power of uh, uh, this plus this is going to give us the numerator as 14, right? 14 divided by 7 is 2, right? Then 14 divided by 14 is 1, so 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3, and that is exactly what that will give us. So with this expression now, we can reduce further. We'll have 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 multiplied by the square root of this is going to give us multiplied by the square root of 16 to the power of 3 divided by 14. Now remember, this square root can be equal to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? So we can have that expression to now give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 16 to the power of 3 divided by 14 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. So what do we have? We'll have that expression to now give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 multiplied by, while this multiplies this will give us 16 to the power of 3 divided by 28. So that will give us 3 divided by 28. So because we have the same base, that is also going to do what? Add. So we'll have this to become 16 to the power of 1 divided by 7 plus 3 divided by 28, right? Now remember, will this be equal to 2? Let's see. If we have that, we have a common base, and that is 16 to the power of, this is 28. 28 divided by 7 is going to give us, 28 divided by 7 is simply going to give us 4, right? 4 times 1 is 4 plus 28 divided by 28 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Will this whole solution give us 2? So we'll have that expression to now give us 16 to the power of 7 divided by 28. So what do we have? Would this be equal to 2? This is going to give us 7 here will give us 1, while 7 here will give us 4. So this is going to give us 16 to the power of 1 divided by 4 equal to, will it be equal to 2? Remember, 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, right? So we'll have 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 4. While this 4 can clear this 4, and we'll be left with what? 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. So we see 2 to the power of 1 is still equal to 2, and then we'll see that 2 is equal to 2. So that proves to us that y equal to the 7th root of 16 is the solution that satisfies that expression we are given. I hope you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.